Good afternoon, folks. This is Mark with Marc's Mobility. We have a Quantum Edge 3 power chair here, used less than a month or two. Literally brand new, yellow in color, super nice chair. Good afternoon, folks. This is Mark with Marc's Mobility. I'm back with a broken kneecap. It's been 6 weeks. I fell in my attic in my house, and my better half was not too happy with me when that happened. But it's been 6 weeks now almost, and this will be coming off in a few more weeks, then we'll start rehab. But anyway, here we are. We're doing videos. So again, this is a Quantum Edge 3 power chair. This power chair probably has a month or two of usage, if that much. Beautiful yellow in color. It has a captain seat. What that means, when you have a captain seat, of course you're going to have a headrest. You're going to have an adjustable seat. So if you put it down, your top number here is about 32 inches. 32 inches is your number here. And it's adjustable all the way back to here. And this would be more like driving position right there. So this is called a captain seat. If you look at the chair, as I said, it's gorgeous. Yellow is a very sharp color. Not everybody likes yellow, but if you're back from the 70s, you know what I'm talking about. These are 14-inch solid tires, caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. There's a motor for each side, so there's a motor here for this wheel. And this motor, folks, is directly connected to the wheel. There's no chain, no belt, no hassle, no mess, okay? If you want to push this chair, well, the chair weighs about 250 pounds, 275 pounds. So you're not going to be able to push it unless you put it in neutral like a car. So to do that, you would probably turn the power off, because these are electric motors. So turn the power off. You see your yellow handle? Push it down, and now you're in neutral. See that? Very easy, okay? When you're done, put it back in gear, and you can hear it, it's in gear. Turn your power back on, okay? You have anchor points all the way around. This is where you secure your chair. You have 4 of these all the way around the chair. You also have with this chair headlights and tail light. There's a little switch right here. If I click it, you can see the headlights and the tail lights. You can see where they're at, front lights and tail lights. I want to show you also, folks, the suspension. You see this suspension right here? It's for this fork right here. You can see that, folks. This is why this chair is such a great ride, because of that suspension. But look back here. You have the same suspension here for these 2 shocks right there, okay? These are independent. As you can see, when I lift this, that one stays down. You have a pouch. Forgive me, folks. At my age, I forget stuff. All right, let's go back to the seat. Let's turn the lights off. Now, the seat on this chair, we'd like to keep this chair the way it is there, because it's a pan seat, okay? So you can put your own cushion on here, folks. If you have a Rojo cushion, a thicker cushion, a softer cushion, you can put it right on here. Right now, the cushion is 18 by 18. We have a safety belt right here. The arms on this chair do raise up. So if you're left-handed, we can put the joystick on the left side and put the switch back to the right side. The foot plate does raise up when you exit the chair. The front of the chair, if you need to change the batteries in this chair, there's 2 55 amp batteries. They come out from the front. All Quantum Edge 3, Edge 6, and Edge 2.0. All those batteries come out from the front. There's 2 levers at the bottom. You squeeze the levers together. The foot plate, everything that's yellow, all that will come off, and your 2 batteries will slide out from the front. We do have batteries here also if you need batteries for your chair. They're Group 22 55 amp batteries. This chair also has a speed of up to 6 miles an hour outside, so it's also a pretty fast chair, okay? As I said, it's literally new. So when you charge the batteries in this chair, you'll get a charger. This is not going to be the charger. You'll get a charger. This is just for example here. You just plug it here, and as soon as, plug it right there, and as soon as the light turns green on your charger, the charger will stop charging when it turns green or full. As soon as the batteries are full, the charger will shut down. So let's do a quick recap. We have here a Quantum Edge 3, yellow in color, used maybe a month or two, solid tire. This is a mid-wheel drive, so it turns on itself. So if you want to see that, I forgot to show you that earlier. Look at this. This chair has a 0 turn. 0 turn means it turns in its own space. That's what's great about this chair, okay? This chair has a 300-pound capability, a top speed of 6 miles an hour. You can get up to 15 miles on a battery charge. That depends how you drive. If you're going uphill the whole time, you're not going to get 15 miles, okay? But you should be able to drive this chair all day long with new batteries. So if you're looking for a nice chair, new condition, and you like yellow, there you go. So this chair is pretty fast, folks. At least 6 miles an hour, if not 6.2. You can see how fast it's going. So this is the world famous Quantum Edge 3 base. When I say by base, it has a regular captain seat on this chair. No fancy seat. This chair has a 300-pound capability. And when you stop, it's, I guess it does stop. It stops automatically. It's got built-in brakes on the motor. Now, if you stop slower, you won't come out of your chair. Look, if I stop slower, okay, but it does have built-in brakes on the motors. You can control the speed right here also with this. So if I just push the joystick a little bit, it barely moves. Just like a gas pedal in your car. So if you're looking for a sharp looking chair, yellow in color, new condition, used maybe a month or two, and you can see it'll do very well in the yard also. As long as your yard is, not a potato field. So this one has the captain's seat, it has the headlights, the tail light, the solid tires, the 2 motors, the anchor point, the suspension. And this seat can be elevated. Right now it's sitting at 20 inches. There's 4 poles under here. We can make this seat go up to 21, 22, or 23. So we can definitely raise this seat because it sits on bars. So if you want the seat higher, just let us know and we'll raise the seat up a little bit higher. But this one is also new condition, ready to go. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.